Hello everyone, welcome again back to this channel. So you are welcome. How are you all doing? I believe you are doing perfectly fine. For me, I'm doing so good, very fine, and I thank God for everything. So if you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. I really appreciate your stopping by, okay? And in this channel, I talk about spiritual tips that will help your life to grow spiritually, and also a way of cleansing yourself for removing curses and so many afflictions. So if it sounds good, if you love any of that, please consider subscribing. Join this family by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this and many others, because I also do natural remedies, okay? Natural ways that you can take care of yourself. Like for ladies, you want to take care of yourself down there, you want to get rid of infections and many others. So you're welcome, okay? So as you already know from the title, I'm going to be talking about dreams. Just 2 dreams, because I don't want to waste time, okay? If you have any disturbing dream that you want to share with me, just let me know, okay? By the grace of God, I will explain it the way I know, the right way. So this is about a dream of fighting, a fighting dream. If you know, it's very good for you to remember your dreams. That is one thing you should always be very glad, okay? You have to be glad that you can remember your dreams. Most people, they cannot remember their dreams at all, and my goodness, that is very bad. You need to grow spiritually. You need to always pray for it. You have to always ask for that and pray for that, to dream good dreams. And also you have to pray to dream bad dreams. Bad dreams, it's just like asking God to reveal things for you, the good and the bad. When you always ask for God to reveal those good parts, what of the bad parts? What of those dangers that are coming? You have to pray for dreams generally. You have to, if you can also ask for visions. Visions can happen anytime, even when you are not sleeping. So it's very good for you to remember your dreams, and you are very lucky if you can. If you dream of fighting in dream, fighting with anybody, most times you may not know the person. You are just maybe like see yourself fighting with someone that you don't know. You know how dream is. You just see yourself fighting. Most times you may be weak or strong, just fighting. That dream is just about your conscious self in your normal life. Just about your struggle in real life. Maybe you are the type, maybe something is disturbing you, or you are not at peace. You have some issues disturbing you. That is a dream. You have to think, check things around you. Is there anything that is disturbing you? Is there any issue? Be it, maybe in your marriage, in your working place, or maybe you are desiring a job, or, it may be a family issue. Just think, try to remember. Then you know that is actually the dream. It's just a struggle in real life. Maybe you have, something about someone is disturbing you, or something about yourself is disturbing you. You just need peace. No matter what that thing is, you need peace. You don't have to, take that thing so personal to make it disturb your spiritual life. Just find peace, and you have to always pray. You need cleansing. You have to cleanse your inner self. You can check my channel. You see so many, some videos, not so many anyway, but some videos that will help you to cleanse yourself spiritually. You can just, as you wake up from sleep, just ask God for, for peace. That is your struggle in real life. Use Psalm 51 to always pray. When you read the verses, each lines, you will understand what I mean, and everything will be fine for you. So when you see yourself fighting with someone, and maybe you know the person, or even if you don't know the person, and the dream is very clear to you. You see this person, but you don't know the person, but you know that this is human being. You are struggling with the person, fighting with the person. This means 2 things, okay? It means 2 things. One is a bad thing, maybe a bad experience that is yet to come. Maybe you may experience something bad, and the other one is good. You may experience good thing in the future. You may experience a good surprise in the future, or you may experience a bad surprise. So all you have to do when you dream something like that, when you see someone fighting you or you are fighting someone, you don't have to just assume that this is the person in real life. You know how dream is. It may not be the person you are thinking of. Some dreams come so visible, like it will just bring the face of the person. It may not actually mean the person, that the person is bad or something like that. Devil can also reveal somebody that is not bad to you. Maybe you are helping that person financially or assisting that person. Devil can use that person's face to appear in your dream and making you to just stop assisting that person. Okay, it happens like that. Or it may just make you naturally to just start hating someone that you are not supposed to hate. You have a dream like that, seeing someone that you don't know fighting you and it's very clear, or you see someone you know fighting you, or you are fighting the person and it's very clear, the face is very clear. This is what you have to do as you get up from sleep. You don't have to just go about even if it's a short prayer, just kneel down and pray very well. Okay, pray against any bad dream, any bad surprise that may come your way. Also pray for any good surprise that is coming your way. Pray against that bad surprise. Cancel it. Use from your heart. Maybe visualizing the dream as you are doing so. Just imagine the dream. Okay, just imagine as you are fighting or as the person is fighting you. Just start canceling it. Pray against bad events that may happen to you. And for the good part, just pray that any good thing that is coming your way, any good surprise, that it should not be cut off. Pray that when it comes, it shall be a blessing to you. It's very good for you to dream dreams that you can remember. When you don't remember your dreams, you have to always pray. Ask God for you to remember your dreams, because it's very good. Okay? So when you dream of being defeated, when someone is fighting you and they defeat you, as I said earlier, it's actually your struggle in life, about a conflict in your real life, your struggle. So it's just an issue. This particular one is just an issue you have with someone in your real life. That person in your real life may not appear in your dream, but anytime you dream like this, okay, you have to check if you really have an issue with someone, be it your wife, your husband, your loved ones, anybody, even your children. It can be your neighbor, it can be someone you just met outside and you have an issue with the person. So all these are just a struggle in your real life. Okay, maybe something that you have with someone. It may be anything you have with someone. It may be a business, okay, with someone that is causing an issue. So this dream is actually telling you that that person in your real life is taking it so seriously that you may have an issue with someone, you just take it, maybe you are just a free-minded person, you are just a free person, you just take it like this is actually not something that you should have an issue with. You just take it so lightly, but the person actually is not taking it funny. Okay, maybe you are the one that hurt the person, or you are the one that caused that issue. What you have to do is just to go apologize to that person. But if you have apologized to that person and that person is taking it seriously, what you have to do is just to pray. You have to pray against any bad thing that may result from that. Any defeating dream is not as if someone will kill you or harm you or anything. It's just your struggle in your real life with someone, So when you dream of, a stabbing dream, when you are fighting and someone is stabbing, or be it you are the one stabbing or the person is the one stabbing you, or violent dream, when you dream any such, if you dream killing, murdering, all those sort of violence dream, it's not actually so bad. Okay, you really need to overcome that struggle. You just have to think. If there's something in your real life that is disturbing you, that you really need to, to fight harder. Like, you want to get it and you must get it. If it's a divorce, okay, you have to try and make peace with the person. If it's a bondage, like someone is really disturbing your peace and you are not happy about that, you just have to do it gently and peacefully. Do not use violent way, because sometimes physical way may just result with something that you may just end up regretting. So when you dream of beating someone or defeating someone, you're actually the person that is defeating. This is actually a good thing. It just, your courage. You have that courage to overcome that struggle in real life. So that is what it means. So another dream is seeing smoke in dream. Okay, I don't really know if this person is actually watching this video, but this really helps someone out there. Okay, when you dream of seeing smoke, you just see smoke covering a particular area. So seeing smoke generally means a conflict or an issue with a friend. It may not be a friend, it may be a very close person. A friend, I mean, is someone close to you. A conflict you have with a friend or a loved one. So this is what it means when you see smoke. So we have different kinds of smoke. There is, black smoke, white smoke. When you see a black smoke, it means a financial loss, and you have to seriously pray against it. Pray that you will not lose any money. Also pray that any business you want to embark on. Pray against frauds. Pray against scammers. That reminds me, please, anyone watching this video, okay, if you go to my comment section, most people, they are just disguising themselves, replying some comments, claim that they are actually me. Replying people's comments, most time you see something like, I will connect you to someone that is going to help you. This is this person's number. Share the person on WhatsApp. Please, I'm not the one. Even if most people, they use my image, they're exactly the image you are seeing on this channel. Most people, they will still use my name. Please, if you see any of these, those people, they're scammers, okay? They just scam. Please, just be careful. I can never ask for, if I'm actually dropping any number here, I will leave it on the screen of this video. So if you see dream of seeing a black smoke, it means financial loss. Financial loss is not about going out there and losing your money. It may be through scammers, maybe through unnecessary spending. So pray against unnecessary spending of those things that you don't really need, that will just end up affecting you. Pray against devouring spirits. If you can continue in the midnight, get up, even if it's 30 minutes, pray against that dream. Be serious, and it's not going to come to pass. So if you see a dream of seeing smoke, white smoke actually means that someone will honor you. Okay, I don't really know anyone, but it may be anybody. Someone will honor you. Just is a very good dream. You'll be honored. Okay, you'll be honored, you'll be celebrated. That is what it means. So whenever you see smoky environment, like a smoke in your dream, just try to remember if that smoke is black or white. But smoke generally means a conflict, an issue with a friend. Okay, that is what it means. It may be a bad one, it may be a good one. When you dream of smoke burning your eyes, like smoke just a burning smoke that entered your eyes, when you see such dream, just know that this is really an uncomfortable situation that you are going to experience in your real life. It means that you are going to experience something very disturbing, something uncomfortable, a very hell experience in your normal life, in your real life. So what you have to do is just to have to cancel such dream. Cancel it. As you wake up, pray very well that you cancel anything that will make you to see bad experience. It may be accidents, like it may not happen to you, but it may happen that it's just an experience that you will see in your real life. it may be death, it may be accident, it may be fighting, in your real life. It may be divorce, it may be all manner of uncomfortable experience. So pray against it seriously. You need to pray against it. You don't want to see such thing in your life. Pray against it. So if you dream of suffocating in that smoke, you are there and the smoke is really suffocating you, it means that you have an unfulfilled life. Maybe your life is not fulfilled. It's not comfortable. It means an uncomfortable life or uncomfortable love life. So you have to check properly and you have to pray, okay? Pray for God to make you fulfilled in anything you are doing, to make you comfortable. If it's your love life, as I said, okay, you have to pray for peace. You find peace by the grace of God. You need rest of mind. You need to enjoy your love life. You need to enjoy your life. Pray against any disturbing thing in your real life. If you dream of saving someone that is suffocating in a room, the smoke is suffocating that person, then you rescue that person from the room. When you dream of this, like you saving someone, even if it's accident, you are saving someone, or in a smoking room and you are saving someone, that is actually a very good dream, okay? You are going to experience something good. You'll be lucky in your real life. You are going to experience luck, okay? Luck in your real life is actually a good dream. So you just have to pray seriously. After praying, okay, you have to get water, just normal drinking water, a very clean water. It may be in a cup, it may be in a bowl, a small bowl. So you just have to pray. After praying, then you drink that water. Just drink it, even if it's just a small water. Drink it and cancel any bad dream. So it's actually very good to dream any kind of dream, okay? It's very good for you to dream as long as you can remember it. If you cannot remember your dream, just pray against forgetfulness, spiritual forgetfulness. You have to be alert spiritually. You have to remember your dreams. So always pray whenever you have any dream, be it good dream, because you may actually dream good dreams, okay, but it may not come to pass. You'll not be wondering, why is this dream not coming to pass? But I saw myself celebrating, getting married, getting a good job, or increment in your salary, or someone celebrating you. Some people, when they wake up, they will just be happy and thinking that it must come to pass. Yes, it may come to pass, okay, but you need to pray for it to come to pass. Pray and welcome that dream. If you dream of bad dream, immediately cancel it. Cancel it. Is not good at all. And thank God. Always appreciate God at the end of that prayer. Thank God for revealing this thing to you, whether good or bad. And if you dream of seeing someone you know attacking you, please do not go about your duty in your real life attacking that person. It may not be that person. It may not actually be that person. So you have to be careful. You have to fight in a spiritual way. Do not fight in a physical way. When you dream like that, that is actually a spiritual realm. Thank you so much, and I believe you find this helpful. If you do find it helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. May God bless you and remain blessed always. Stay safe as always. I love you all. Bye.